In the sixth question, we are asked, along with the budget, the finance minister also places other documents before the parliament, which include macroeconomic framework statement. The aforesaid document is presented because this is mandated by, and these are the four options. So we need to answer that macroeconomic framework statement एक ऐसा एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जो बजट के साथ प्लेस किया जाता है और ये क्यों किया जाता है, किस कानून या फिर किस आर्टिकल के अंडर इसको मैंडेट करा गया है that it has to be placed with the budget. So the options, option A says long standing parliamentary convention, option B says article 112 and 110 of the Constitution of India, option C says 113 of the Constitution of India, and option D says provision of the FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Budgetary Management Act 2003. Let's see the answer and explanation. Option D is given as the correct answer here, and the reason behind it. See, the macroeconomic framework statement was evolved after FRBM Act, and FRBM Act mandated that macroeconomic framework statement would be provided which will include the macroeconomic conditions of the government of India, of the finances of the government of India. For example, fiscal deficit, GDP growth, balance of payment situation. These things are mentioned in this statement, and this was outcome of the FRBM Act in 2003. Also, if you want to eliminate and want to solve the question through elimination, you can also do that following logical conclusion that a statement as important as that cannot be an outcome of the convention. Okay, it doesn't seem logical at all. And option B and option C can be held incorrect. Why? See, this statement and what has been the general process that whenever there's a question between an article and a process, it very rarely happens that the process is mentioned in the article itself. For example, let's see, there is a article without regarding impeachment. So how impeachment will take place is not mentioned in the article. It very rarely happens that the whole of the process is mentioned in the article itself. Article is a broad guideline, and the process is chalked down in different set of rules and guidelines associated with that article to implement that article. Okay, so article 112, 110, 113, all of these articles are related to the budgetary management of the government. But as I said, that it rarely happens. I'm not saying that this is a rule of law, but this has been the process and this has been the general trend, that it really happens that a statement which is a part of rule is defined within the article. So on the basis of calculated guesswork or logical conclusion, these two options, option B and C, could have eliminated, and we would have left with option D. Or the other way is that हम लोगों को पता होता कि FRBM एक्ट में ये चीज आती है. ओके, मच बेटर वुड हैव कि हम लोगों को पता होता कि macroeconomic framework statement is part of FRBM Act. So this was our sixth question.